Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. So in this video, we are going to learn geometric distribution. So what is geometric distribution? So geometric distribution deals with the number of trials required for a single success. So if you're familiar with the success and also number of trials, it looks like the distribution is the same like the negative binomial. However, here we only have a single success. Okay, so thus the geometric distribution is actually a negative binomial distribution where the number of success r is 1. Okay, so the geometric random variable can be written as this. Okay, you can write it in terms of negative binomial 1, given 1 is the r and p is the probability of success. Or you can also write the geometric distribution as x follows q, given p is the probability of success. So the probability of function for this geometric distribution is given as this: p times with 1 minus p to the power of x minus 1. Okay, why the formula looks like this? Because for the negative binomial, okay, the formula is x minus 1 c r minus 1. Okay, given the number of success is equals to 1. Okay, so we have here any combination that is 0. Okay, of 0 you will get equals to 1. Okay, so that's why here is 1. Okay, and then the expected value of x or mean of x is given as 1 over p, and the variance of the geometric distribution is given as 1 minus p over p square. So these are the three formulas that you need to know. Okay, so now let's go through the example so that you can understand how to apply the geometric distribution. So the first example, university students were asked whether or not they have motorcycle. Suppose the probability is 0.7 that any given student will have a motorcycle. So what is the probability that the third student interviewed will be the first to say that he has a motorcycle? So our probability of success is that the student have a motorcycle. So it will be P, so we can use this probability 0.7 have motorcycle. So now here is that the third student interviewed will be the first to say. So number of trials would be third student. Okay, so number of trials is the third student. Okay, and then the first to say, so this would be our number of success. Given number of success r is equals to 1. So we can use the negative binomial distribution. Given r is 1 and p is the 0.7. Okay, so your x would be equals to 3 and r is equals to 1. Okay, so to find x equals to 3, so it will be 1 times with p minus 1, p to the power of r, where p is 0.7, given your r is 1, 0.3 to the power of x minus r, which is 2, and you get 0.063. Okay, the next example, a teenager is trying to get a driver's license. The probability of him passing the road test is 0.6. So 0.6 is the probability of passing. What is the probability that he will pass the test? So our consideration is that those who pass the test. So we can use this 0.6 as our probability. So what is the probability that he will pass the test on the second attempt? Okay, meaning that on the second attempt he passed. So passing the test here is the number of success, which is equals to 1. So second attempt is the number of trials. So number of trials is equals to 2, given this number of trials is defined as x. So here we have P, and then for A, x will be equals to 2, given R is equals to 1. Okay, so now we need to find x equals to 2, which is 2 minus 1, C 1 minus 1. Okay, so where this one will be 1. And then your P 0.6 to the power of 1, 0.4 to the power of 1. Okay, 2 minus 1. And you get 0.24. Okay, and then for B, before the third attempt, so meaning that the number of tries should be less than 3. So to find the probability of x less than 3, meaning that you have to find the probability of x equals to 1, probability of number of trials equals to 2. Okay, so we can find this. So for this one, it will be 0.6 to the power of 1, 0.4 to the power of x minus r. So it will be 1 minus 1. This is our r. Okay, and then for the second one, 0.6 to the power of r, 0.4 to the power of x minus r, 2 minus 1. And you will get 0.6. The first one is 0.6 plus with 0.24, which is 0.84. So we cannot find x equals to 1 because given x is number of tries. So if number of try is 0, meaning that we never try, okay, for the experiment. Now let's try this exercise. So you can pause this video and give your answer in the comment. So in this question, the probability that a computer running a certain operating system crash on any given day is 0.05. Find the probability that the number of the computer crash for the first time on the 10th day after the operating system is installed. Okay, so for the first question here, so the probability of operating system crash would be 0.05. So this is our OS crash. Find the probability that the number of crash for the first time on the 10th day. So 10th day is your number of trials. Given this would be your x. And then your 1. Okay, the first time is your number of success. Okay, so we need to find x equals to 10. So for this case, it will be using the geometric distribution because r equals to 1. So p to the power of r, and then 1 minus p to the power of x minus r. So the answer would be 0.0315. Okay, so this is the first question. The second one, find the expected number of days the computer runs before it crashes for the first time. Okay, so for the second one, to find the expected number of x. X is given as number of days the computer runs before it crashes. So the formula is 1 over p. So 1 over 0.05 would be equals to 20. So this is the end of this topic. Thank you.